Medical Plastics is a plastics processing company that brings in a raw material, and it sort of looks like rice. There's tiny little granules, and we process those in our injection moulding machines. So that goes in, gets heated and squirted into our injection mould dies. We predominantly make small components. Most of them fit into the palm of your hand. We generally process greater than 300 kilograms of resin in a 24-hour period. Like any manufacturer, yes, we do have waste, and we try to minimise that by keeping a very clean moulding facility, by sweeping multiple times per shift. And from time to time, product does end up small amounts out in the car park. We try to certainly sweep that up, but plastic resin does turn up on the pellets when we unload that from the trucks from our suppliers, and that falls on the ground, which is a problem. An initiative called Operation Clean Sweep threw up a product that we'd never heard of before called the LittaTrap. And it was like a light bulb moment really when the product was introduced to us. The fact that anything from our car park was going straight out into the waterways, and not just taking weeks to get out there. I would imagine it's minutes or hours to get from our car park straight out into the waterways. And that's a terrible thought. So we embraced the LittaTrap offer when it came to us and quickly installed one, and we've been amazed with the results. Over the last year, we have caught many kilograms of plastic that would have ended up in the waterways. Yeah, it's very, very easy to maintain the LittaTrap. We do that monthly, and it's just a case of popping on a pair of rubber gloves, opening up the grill, taking out the bag, and then emptying that. It really only takes a couple of minutes, and then it offers you another month of protection. Medical Plastics feel we're doing the right thing by having a LittaTrap on our premises. We're trying to do the right thing for future generations, and I would actively encourage not only plastics companies, but anyone in industry who's out there, any building owners, anyone who wants to pass on a clean environment to the future generations, to just install one of these things. They're fantastic, and yeah, once it's in, it's just easy. It's a pretty good sort of feeling that we've taken that amount of pellets out of the ecosystem.